On today's video, I bring to you this powerful deep condition that will help to strengthen your weak strands, thicken up your hair, boost hair growth super faster, stop hair fall, hair breakage, control your frizz hair, soften your hair, and also help you for moisture. So if your hair is dry and brittle, this deep condition will bring your hair back to life. So without wasting much of your time, let's go and prepare this amazing powerful deep condition. To prepare this powerful, amazing deep condition, we need only few ingredients. Our first ingredient is banana. I'm using 4 medium size of my overripe banana. So if you have overripe banana, please make use of it. But if you don't have, use any level of banana ripe you have available. Okay, do you know that banana is very powerful in helping you to repair your damaged hair, strengthen your weak strands, stop hair breakage, promote faster hair growth, control your frizz hair, give you very smooth shiner hair, and also help you for length retention. So if you have not been incorporating banana on your deep condition, please start it now and you will never regret that. Banana also helps to restore moisture to your hair. If your hair is damaged, brittle and dry, using banana can help to bring your hair back to life. So please don't ever let down on banana deep condition. There are different ways you can use this banana deep condition to get amazing results. So today's video is one of that way you can use banana to achieve amazing results. So after peeling off the banana, we need only the banana. We don't need the banana peel. Okay, so I will discard the banana peel and move on to my second ingredient. Our second ingredient is egg. I'm using 1 medium size of egg. Egg is very important in this deep condition because it will help to strengthen your weak strands, promote hair growth, reduce hair shedding, hair breakage, keep your hair very strong, keep your hair very shiny, and control frizz hair, especially if your hair strand is weak, is breaking unnecessary. It means that you need protein, and using this deep condition that contain egg, it will help you to retain length, it will help you to strengthen that your weak strands, and also your hair will be very healthy. Okay, so this deep condition will be a lifesaver for you. So after breaking my one egg, I pour it into the bowl that contain my banana. Our third ingredient is coconut milk. If your hair is very dry, very brittle, lifeless, and damaged, coconut milk will help to revive that your hair back to life. Coconut milk will help to deep moisturize your hair. Okay, coconut milk will help also to promote faster hair growth because it contains a lot of minerals and vitamins, and also it provides essential nutrients that also help to promote hair, moisturize your scalp and your hair. Okay, so using coconut milk in this deep condition will help a whole lot. Like as I said, this deep condition is a whole game changer. This deep condition will work multiple purpose because it will help you in so many things you are battling with. If you are battling with dry hair, brittle hair, lifeless hair, freaky hair, dull hair, lack of moisture, slow hair growth, and your hair is unhealthy, this deep condition will help you to solve all this problem even more. Okay, that is no joke. Just try it and you see a whole game changer on your hair. Okay, so I measure out 1/4 cup of my coconut milk. So next thing I did now is to blend this. Okay, we need to blend this so that everything can combine properly together. After blending it, I bring my wig cap and a bowl to strain it. So straining it is very important. No matter how smooth your blender crush this, you need to strain it, because if you do not strain it, believe me, those banana residues will stuck on your hair and it will not be a good idea for you. So make sure you strain it. Okay, use something that have very tiny hole, your wig cap, your stockings, your shave cloth, whatsoever that have very tiny hole, use it and strain it, okay? It's very, very important. Don't skip straining it, okay? So I have shown you how to put this powerful deep conditioner together. So now the next thing now is how to use it, okay? There are different ways you can use this deep conditioner on your hair, and also I will tell you the best way to use it if you are looking for faster results and faster improvement on your hair with the deep conditioner. So stay tuned, okay? First way to use this amazing powerful deep conditioner is to use it as a pre-poo, okay? So pre-poo is a treatment you can apply on your hair first before you shampoo your hair, okay? So you can also use it as a detangler because it contains sleeps. You know that banana contains a lot of sleep, okay? Even coconut milk, you can also use it as a detangler, okay? Because it can also help to soften those your matted knot hair, okay? So you can use it as a pre-poo, you can use it as a detangler. It works so amazing, okay? So another way you can use this amazing powerful deep conditioner is to use this as a deep conditioner treatment. As the name apply, deep condition, okay? So use it on your fresh wash hair. So after shampooing your hair, it should be the next treatment you apply on your hair. So apply generously from the roots of your hair to your hair strands, okay? After then, give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Cover up your hair for an hour. After 1 hour, go ahead and rinse it off. After rinsing it off, continue with your wash day routine like your final thin rinse, or you can also follow up with your rinse out conditioner, okay? Then moisturize your hair. Your wash day is over. So to get that faster results, that faster effect with this deep conditioner, you need to use it as a deep conditioner, okay? So in this video, I'm using it as my deep conditioner, but my hair is not fresh wash. I wash my hair 2 days ago, okay? So that's why I'm using spray bottle to spray on my hair, because my hair is already dry. So the day I wash my hair, I don't have that enough chance to deep condition my hair, so I postponed it to the 2 days after, okay? So guys, if your hair is dry, don't ever apply it without you damping your hair with a water. It's very, very important so that this deep conditioner can penetrate deeply on your hair follicles and give you that good results. So using it as a deep conditioner, you get better results than using it as a pre-poo or detangler, okay? So if you are looking for a way to get a faster effect result with this, use it as your deep conditioner. And how many times can you use it? You can use it any of your wash day routines, okay? So if you normally wash your hair once in a week, use it. If you normally wash your hair once in 2 weeks, also use it. Like I wash my hair once in 2 weeks, okay? So guys, this deep conditioner will help you so much in repairing your hair. Also, it helps to define your coils. This deep conditioner will help to soften down your coils. If your hair is very hard for you to manage, please go ahead and prepare this deep conditioner and use it. You tell me thank you later, okay? There's no joke. It works super amazing, okay? So please, using it once, it can get that faster growth with it, okay? But for hair softening it will soften your hair immediately, okay? And also for hair smoothing, it will smooth your hair immediately, control your hair frizz immediately. But for repairing of your damaged hair and also for promoting faster hair growth, you need to use it consistently, like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Then you can now start getting results with it, okay? So you can also add oil on it if you like. You can drop any of your essential oil you love or any of your homemade oil you love, okay? But I choose to use only these 3 powerful, simple, effective ingredients, okay, to show you that you don't need to break the bank before you can achieve that healthy hair, okay? Please don't use heat cap on this, okay? Use your cellophane nylon or your shower cap, okay? Because of the egg, so that you not cool the egg on your hair, okay? For you to be more safer, and also for you not to sleep in the bathroom, because if you cool the egg on your hair, believe me, it will take a whole day to rinse it out of your hair, and you don't want that to happen to you, I think. So please be very, very careful, okay? So please guys, let me know your opinion in comment section below. Have you tried this deep condition before on your hair? If you have not, please give it a try. Believe me, you will never regret it, okay? So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. If you have not joined this beautiful family up to this point, please do wait to click on that subscribe button. Believe me, you will never regret being part of this family, okay? And also please help me to like this video. It really encourages me a lot, and it helps the growth of the channel. Lastly, please share this video to your family and friends so that they will get good news on today's video, okay? So guys, we have come to end of today's video. If you have watched up to this point, you are the real MVP. Say hi in comment section below. I will know that you have watched up to this point, okay? Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.